Hey compassionate carnivores, in today's video we're showing you guys how to make carnivore tacos with just 2 ingredients. It took not even 15 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so just 2 ingredients, cheese and ground beef. But just so you guys know, the shredded cheese is really awful for you. We just recently learned this, and this was in the refrigerator.
It has
so
like wax in it.
Yeah.
Coating so then it lasts longer. So definitely get your own block and shred it.
So we're not going to waste this. We're going to use the rest of this, and then you get your own block of cheese and you shred it yourself, and it's 100 times better. And it probably tastes better too. I think it always tastes better, especially that when you shred it, you can get it nice and thick. So then you're probably like, oh, what the heck is this? This is our little contraption when you make the cheese. After it's cooked, you put it on here, and it will make it in its little shell form. All right, so first we're going to cook our ground beef. No, we're just going to make 3 tacos.
We did a different video today, so I'm not that hungry.
Yeah, today we made chaffles. Go check out that video, link in the description. A quick little lesson, most pans, I think it's called Teflon. Okay, probably a bad lesson, but anyways, it's absolutely awful and really bad for you, pure chemicals, forever chemicals. And so we have this pan, I'll have it linked below. And now, I honestly don't know if this one's Teflon or not, or if this one's the good one that's free of it. But I know this guy is. But anyway, yeah, just be aware.
That's what she always does to us.
Okay, seriously, stop. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Last time I did it way too thick. You want it to be nice and thin, so I think that this is enough. We'll see. That might even be too much.
Yeah.
What is this? This is 1/2 cup.
So half of a half cup.
And then you just make it into like a circle. I go like this. I think we threw them all out. I was gonna say, look, if show this. We did have one plastic one because it's easy to flip, but plastic is also a no-no. Like this one, my dad wants to throw it out, but this was really good for frying food.
She said, like, when you go that close to her face.
Do you think this will work?
Yeah.
Or if you don't like ground beef,
chicken.
Yeah, you can.
If you don't like the like rubbery part of the ground beef, you can just cook it longer and it's like crispy and it's like a little snack. I like it.
Yeah, we'll show you guys how we make it. We make our ground beef really crispy, and then you add a little bit of butter at the end, a lot of butter,
and a little bit of crispy, like the
thick Maldon salt. Look at this.
Oh my goodness, it's so good. That's linked in the description. Oh my gosh, that's so good on this.
But yeah, if you don't like ground beef, you could also do chicken tacos. That's what we did before. I could probably put another guy in. That's all. You're gonna have leftover ground beef. No, that's fine. So I'm just doing a half of 1/2 cup. I don't think it's done, or it's just sticking to the pan.
I think we need one of
Needed butter. Oh. In the last video my dad and I did, he threw these out, so she just took that from the trash.
No, it was on the trash. It was next to the trash on the
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's why you shouldn't use it.
But I'd hurry up. It's
Come on. I think we need to put something under it.
Whoa, you're wrinkling it.
Yeah, look at the bottom.
Oh. That's pretty good. Yeah, and you're just gonna have to restart.
We didn't put butter on the bottom, so it kind of crisp.
We're gonna put
this is a learn with us, so we're gonna put some butter on the bottom or tallow.
Yeah, I used beef tallow last time. It didn't stick. This is the beef tallow we use. We use it every single day. It's almost gone. Okay, yeah, it's almost at its end. Okay, so the tallow melted. And now the cheese shouldn't stick to it. Usually people stop cooking their ground beef right now, but if you keep going, it'll get nice and crispy.
Like, if you're doing a mini taco.
It cooked already?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It cooked, what was that, like 20 seconds? Not even? Quick interruption. Did you know your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on it? At Compassionate Carnivore, we make 100% natural, handmade products with ingredients you can read, pronounce, and trust. So pure, you could even eat them. Shop now. Boom. This one's a little crispy, but that's okay. We made this last time, and mine looked burnt. Everyone thought it was burnt, but it's perfectly crispy. It's delicious. Okay, so then you're going to take your cheese guy, make a little contraption. And then you just want to fold it like that too, so then it'll harden into the shell of a taco. That should be good. The next one don't get as crispy.
Crispy.
This one's perfect.
Literally the crust on that. Oh my gosh.
This is so fast and easy. And the last one, she's just eyeballing it.
That was a lot.
This, I'm gonna turn the heat up a little bit. How come there's no juice?
I went into it.
Just like this. Ooh, look at that. That one's perfect.
Okay.
Or just move this one.
Taco shell 1.
Ta-da!
Oh, it's really hot.
We're just gonna eat that one like a chip, and then she's gonna make another one because it was so big it fell apart. I don't know why, but this seems really dry, so I'm going to add some butter to it. I always add butter, but usually you can get it real crispy, but there's like no juice in it. Okay, so this is done. Look how crispy it is. It's usually more juicier, but there is no liquid in this, so it looks a little dry, but I think the butter made it more flavorful.
Should we put some salt in it?
Yeah, and now we add some thick, flaky Maldon salt. Boom. Well, that was a lot.
I like salt.
Actually, that's perfect.
I really like salt. We just finished them and they look so good. Here's one of them. It's literally like a little taco shell. It's still a little hot, but I'd rather have it cheesy than like extremely hard because I never really like the crunchy shells. The softer ones are so much better. Okay.
That was so quick and easy. And you could add sour cream too, but Alyssa doesn't like sour cream. Okay, time to test it.
It looks really good.
I know.
When I had Emma's before in our dad's video, it was okay, but it was like a little overdone.
Yeah.
This one looks golden and crispy, and I'm just so excited.
The last time when I made it, I did the cheese way too thick. It was like this thick. This is
like
perfect.
Mini tacos too, and they just look
that
so
one's
good.
beautiful.
Yeah.
This one's a little crusty, dark, but
So,
it's still
like
gonna be really good.
sharp
Show
shells,
yours.
Yeah.
This one's beautiful.
It's like golden and crispy. I'm so excited. Okay, give it to me.
And you could add sour cream, but she doesn't like sour cream.
Okay, taste test. Which bite should I take it from?
I don't know.
I'll take it from this one. Looks better. Okay. Oh my gosh. Doing it, Emma.
Oh, so it's that good.
Crap.
These are perfect. They're so simple and easy to make too. I'm gonna make these all the time.
I wish we could try it. It kind of tastes like a Cheez-It.
Oh my gosh, you can make like carnivore Cheez-It chips. We could put it on a tray and cook it on there, and then put it in the refrigerator and cut it up and add the thick Maldon salt. We gotta do that.
We messed up one of the shells on accident, and I was eating it when we were cooking, and it tasted just like a Cheez-It.
Well, that is how you make carnivore tacos. We wish you all the absolute best. Bye. Beep.